Whoa!
Got about 30 seconds left, 30 seconds left.
This is a good, whoa! All right, box stock A main. I've been having lots of problems with the car today. It's been glitching out, losing connection, crashing all the time. I'm gonna see if I've got enough range to get around now. We have taken it apart 3 or 4 times, resoldered the RX wire, and we'll see if I have enough range to get, well, no, dead there. Mini-Z race day at GFX Racing, and my box stock is glitching out. So I've been troubleshooting it, trying to figure out the wiring connections look good. All my soldering connections are good. Motor to board, transponder stays on. It kind of just dies when you're driving, and very intermittently and often. So you lose power and you lose steering. Transponder stays lit up. The board light glitches, like the power LED on the board light glitches. And then the very last time I was kind of troubleshooting it, it ran full speed into the board. Something is shorting out the board, it seems. It may be actually internal board failure. We're going to have to troubleshoot that and figure it out. Although there's not much you can do other than open it up like this, make sure nothing's crimped, make sure everything's connected, make sure none of these are bridging each other, which seems okay. The connections seem okay. But I can't actually find the problem. If you have an MR03 that has an intermittent glitching issue, let me know if you found a fix other than replacing the board. Dead there, so I'm not going to be able to do it unless maybe I stand on the other side. It's a range issue. I just have to walk around the track with the car.
Yeah, if you tie it on the other side of the room, you'll be away from these radios.
Oh, right. Yeah, okay. I'll try from the other side. My camera died, but I was able to, if I've talked about it, my glitching problem, ended up just standing on the other side of the track, away from everyone else, pointing my radio at my box stock the whole time, and I was able to get it around that main in box stock and finish second. But the car is still broken. It has terrible range, which is a problem on the board. All right, AAA super stock. I've got an X-Speed motor in my LM, and this car has range. So we'll try and get a little video of this B main AAA. We'll see if I can make it up any in the grid. All right, starting P2 in the B main.
Hey, we're going live on the zone. We're off to a good start. We're in the apex. Long ways, we got a lot of time to catch up. John Kennedy shooting out to the front, that green and silver LeBlanc car. Ashton for second, the yellow car is in the white 8th. All Perry coming up in the 3rd spot, right behind Ashton. Got somebody upside down. Sir. About 4 minutes left. Ashton was pushing hard to catch John Kennedy in the green and silver car. Only about a second and a half between those cars. Oh, John's in the pipe. Look at that Ashton going in front. John tucks in right behind him. We've got ourselves a race here. Oh, John goes up the side. Ashton fended off in the corner. That same inside apex. Gonna give Ashton a little bit of breathing room. We got 3:30 left in the AAA turn B main. Over with this, we're gonna go into the A main. Bump up spot, and one person advances. Right now, Ashton Capillanes is sitting on the bubbles. Kennedy trying to find his way back to Ashton. We got 3:15 left. So far.
Same corner. Again. I think that's gonna get him too far ahead.
Now Ashton's got about a 4-second lead over John. Just under 3 minutes left.
I think I need Ashton to get wedged or roll over. Let's see.
After 2 minutes and 10 seconds, the top driver for Ashton, John, fall out, slow.
John and Ashton fighting the inside of the late exit. There's going to be no change right now. It looks like about a 7.5 second lead for Ashton. 220 left in the limit. Fast lap belonging to Ashton, 10.5. Running that box stock car with an XP motor.
Yeah, that's all it takes.
GFX sponsored by religious magic marker.
3 left, the top drivers are Ashton C, John, fall out, 1.
Minute 50 seconds left. Minute 50 seconds left. Ashton still leading, followed by John, both early and then Lauren. More minute harder still. He's trying to catch up and give himself some work off that first couple laps. Looks like Ashton giving up the lap up to the second place. That green and silver car. John Kennedy's going to be kind to give up the line.
The top drivers are Ashton
Yeah, he's lapping me. I'll give him the good line.
They can learn a thing or two from John Kennedy's etiquette. There's a professional driver. You know, 1 minute left. 1 minute left.
Are Paul and I on the same lap?
Oh, John are on the same lap. Actually, Paul Perry is catching up to.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to make sure.
That is a race for second place between Paul and John. That's the bronze, black, silver car, and the green and silver car.
Whoa!
Got about 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. That race for second and third is ready to watch.
This is a good. Whoa!
John says no, he pulls away. Coming down the back stretch.
Whoa!
Coming up into the horseshoe. Is Paul going to make another move? We got about 10 seconds left back into the straightaway again. About dead even on the straight for horsepower. One finish again.
Oh.
Horseshoe, they get together.
Oh, I got the lucky bounce.
We're going to get one more lap. See who takes it. One finishing game. I don't know if Paul's going to get it. Coming up into the horseshoe.
Oh, you did! Oh, that was not on purpose. That was a legit mistake. Right on, man. Yeah, he got me last corner. I stuffed it in the apex and he snuck by. That was good. You put the pressure on. You got me making mistakes.
Just be quiet the whole
Yeah.
That makes up for the
Yeah. All right, that was AAA Superstock. You enjoyed the video, hit that like button. New and subscribe. You want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. That's a third in this.